Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make cupcake. And you need to take half cup curd, half cup powder sugar, mix it well. Keep the pan to preheat for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep it on low flame. Now 1/4 cup butter, melt butter. Now you need to add 1 cup maida, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and mix it well. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Grease these molds with butter or oil. After that, this mixture, pour it into the molds. And keep it in the pan. Keep it for 30 to 40 minutes until it turns into little brown. You can check with the toothpick. If the cake will not stick to toothpick, that means your cake is ready. See friends, now it is ready to eat. You can see it. All are ready nicely. It has get light brown color. Now it is ready to eat.